Yo, what's going on, guys? We got a brand new video right here. Let me check out this stupid ring. I got this a couple weeks ago, actually. I just decided to do a review today because I didn't know what I was gonna do with them. I was either gonna sell them or keep them, but no, looking at them, they grew on me, man. They grew on me, really. Oh, dude, like they grew on me, but I didn't grow on myself because I'm still short. But I love this shoe. Pretty pricey though, but I was able to cop them manually. I was pretty lucky with that, but prices, resale's not going too high on them, but I think there's a pretty dope shoe. I'm just getting right into it. So we're gonna look at the box real quick. It's gonna be a quick and easy review. You don't know what shoe I'm talking about. I'm talking about the JJJJound 990 V4s in the Midnight Parade, whatever it's called. And yeah, super dope. What the hell? Yeah, so the box right here comes in this like matte black box, subtle like JJJJound hits, like navy JJJJound hits you can see on the side. Very hard to see. Very nice box though, very sturdy and all that stuff. Inside, there's no shoes inside, by the way, but yeah, they come with extra laces and stuff. I switched them out. They come with bungee laces. You have to rock the bungee laces. It just elevates the shoe to another level. And yeah, man, the paper inside, it's just regular New Balance paper. It comes with like these made in USA tags on all that stuff. But yeah, the box was pretty nice. It's a really good, clean box. Super dope, sturdy. I love it. I actually have the other box as well from like the 992s, and it feels kind of the same. This one's just like a matte black box. But we'll get right into the shoes. So yeah, I was able to cop these manually off of the JJJJound website. I know a lot of people weren't able to cop. It was like limited sizing, I guess you can say, and I was pretty happy. The price point though, man, like this, it was almost $300. I think it was like the retail price was like $265, and then you add shipping on top, it was like almost $300. It was ridiculous. I don't think it was worth it for this shoe, but let's just get into it, right? Woo, boom! The JJJJound 990 V4s in this dark navy colorway. You can see I put the bungee laces in them. They're so clean. Like it just, I don't know, man. It looks way different with the bungee laces. It looks like an actual collab a little bit, but I know a lot of people were really underwhelmed with this. They're saying like this is super lazy. It's just like a GR black colorway, but you know, the more you look at it, like you just fall in love with it. The more you like, not a lot of people have like all black shoes or like somewhere in that dark realm, you know, except for like black Air Force Ones, and no one want to wear black Air Force Ones, man. What are you, robbing something, right? So these are clean. I fell in love with them after I looked at a lot of reviews and stuff and seen them on feet. There's nothing special about them, you know, but you know, once you get them in hand, you notice like the buttery suede on there, the craftsmanship and all that stuff, and the bungee laces. It just kind of, and also this lace lock right here is fire. Like it's very heavy. It's almost like metal. I think it's probably metal. Man, so dope. It also shines in light through like 3M and stuff. I think that's where the shoe stands out a lot. Me personally, I think once this color kind of fades a little bit, it will look pretty dope if it fades. And yeah, it has a subtle JJJJound hit on the back right here, pretty nice, and then it has it on the insole as well. So pretty average stuff. That's you can see it on the 992s right there. It's kind of the same thing in terms of branding and all that stuff. But man, this is dope. It's like a shoe you could wear almost every day, and it can just be like your subtle flex, you know, and it's dope. The craftsmanship's really good. It was like stringy glue stains and stuff everywhere, but it was like something you can just kind of pick at away, like your boogers or something. And yeah, man, these are dope. I am keeping them, man. I am deciding to keep them, even though the price point's pretty high. Resale's not going too much, probably like $40 or $50 over, but I was just happy to cop for manual, man. So it's kind of like one of the things that you cop for manual, you're gonna keep it, because who cares about the resale? You got something for manual finally. And yeah, super clean. I think this will go great with a lot of outfits I have. And yeah, man, so clean. I love it. The way it looks on feet as well, because this is the first 990 V4 that I own, and it feels amazing. It feels amazing. I love the way like the cushion feels. So yeah, that is the review of the 990 V4 JJJJounds. There's not much to say about this shoe, except for it's like really dark navy and like a black outsole with like black accents all over stuff. But yeah, you put in the bungee. You do have put on the bungee laces. A little tip for it is like you leave the lace lock a little bit down more, because once you put on a shoe, it kind of sticks up like this, like you're an ant. You don't want to look like an ant, so keep it down like that. All right, there's a quick little review of the 990 V4 JJJJounds. Peace out.